What up? What up? What up? Oh, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. What up, Jay? I got some shorts in and I don't even know why I'm trading this account. Oh, how's everybody's lunch? Everybody get some good food? How is food? You're going to buy long dated calls? Oh, man. What up, Jay Styles? Some Gary. I don't even know what that is. What is that? Yeah. Oh, it's probably why I haven't heard of it. What up, Beretta? Yeah, that's probably why I haven't heard of it. I'm just seeing what's out here right now. There hasn't been much news. Last 2 hours have been kind of eh. What's up, Tim? Oh, man. Are they going to rip this thing right back up? Hmm. I'm just thinking real fast what I want to do. I need to. Man, they just ripped this thing right back up. Yo, you got to submit the form, otherwise, you're not going to get added. Just FYI. Bro, 20% consistency is terrible on these. That's why I don't trade straight to funded accounts. Yeah. I mean, that's why I don't trade straight to funded on them.
Order filled.
What's up, Reese? Yeah, 20% consistency is rough. I don't I typically don't trade those. I'm only trading this eval right now. I don't know. I'm gonna wait to a really good setup to trade a funded account. I'm up. Uh, I am up. Uh, so much money right now. So I am gonna chill out. I wanted to see if this thing hit TP today or what. Oh, it. Oh man, so interesting. Come on. Keep what's I don't know. What's the American stuff? I don't actually know. What's American stuff?
Order filled.
I'm out. This thing's not moving. Oh, oh my god. Yo, that's premature cellulation. No, just one time, Viper. One time, fill out the form today. One time, you fill the form out, and that's it. Burgers, pizza, burritos, chicken, southern food, pastas. Yo, there you go, discipline. Oh, I'm fucking cooking, Martin. I'm cooking. You have no idea how I'm cooking today. I said it yesterday. I'm just going to be patient. Yo, check this out. I am willing to do this. I'm going to run out of freaking time.
Order filled.
Yo, we're gonna see what happens right now. What up, Joyce? I think I'm gonna run out of time. Oh, come on.
Order filled. Order filled.
I ran out of time to set this freaking up. Let's see if I can get it still. Shit. I don't know how I'm gonna do this.
Order filled.
Nothing showed on my short IFVG today. I didn't even turn it on. I gotta look. The long hit for me. The long was up. It clicked in. I should have taken some off and then flipped it. I should have just fucking flipped some. Being that it's end of day, honestly, I should have flipped. I don't want to take a massive loss end of day. So in all these accounts that I'm copy trading, I didn't even think about that, to be honest. What is it, anyways? It's 70 is my stop. What is that? 20 points? Fuck it.
Order filled.
Fuck it. I'm just back in where I got in at. Fuck it.
Order filled.
What up, Schuster? 20% is hard. What up, Miss Goody? It's going. Yeah, I don't know, Jay. It should have. What up, Jose? Yo, you could fade me anytime you want, man. I might lose this. Listen, I could easily lose this. I'm just willing to take a shot. That's all. What up, Arrow? I would love to see them push this, though, obviously. Never doubt your trade. If you've done your research, then you should know whatever you're doing is. Come on, push it. Fucking push it. Come on, baby. Come on. Push. Oh, I need a 5 minute close. Oh my God. That's not good. Bro, I need a 5 minute close above like 605. Come on. Wait, where is it? I Yo, my camera's like backwards now. I don't know what happened. Fuck, man. Like, oh, come on, dude. Yo, I don't know why it's like that. Give me one fucking push up, bro. Come on.
NYMEX WTI crude September futures settle $84.94 a barrel, up 44 cents or 0.52%. NYMEX gasoline September futures settle at around $3.30 a gallon. NYMEX diesel September
Come on.
futures settle at
This
around
is it.
$4.45 a gallon. And NYMEX natural gas
Just
September
do it.
futures settle at around $2.77.
Do it. Oh, come on.
Order filled. Order filled.
Bro, I'm just gonna, if I get stopped, I get stopped. Jeez. My honest opinion about the Legends accounts, I think it's the cheapest all in. Is it the best? It is not. I think overall you're going to get paid obviously. Um you know, if you're not getting payouts, you shouldn't buy, you should just buy the cheapest accounts out there, which are like Apex because they don't have the activation fee in it. That's the route. That's the route
Order
I would
filled.
go if I wasn't getting payouts. I would continue to practice on accounts. Yo, you got to fill the form out, Alfonso. Alphonse, you're not going to get in unless you fill the form out. The link is right there, dude. You and Kim Herman San. Yeah, like I think the 25K Lucid account. Now you remember you got less drawdown, but it's probably easier to get paid on the 25K Lucid Flex. I probably would not buy my funded futures. I would probably do the Flex account on Lucid. Like if you wanted to stay at that $50 level, that's probably the route that I would go. Dude, my funded futures needs to change their plans around. Them shits are not good compared to a lot of other companies. Yeah, take profit trader 25K is the best drawdown ratio in the game. Yeah, 1500, 1500. Every time my funded futures makes changes, they just go lower. They get rid of all the good plans. They're like, yo, use a pro plan. You get paid every 14 days. Like, what? What are we doing over there? What are we doing? I think their plans were better like a year ago. Yeah, I just think that, and then, yeah, that club thing is like mid at best. Somebody said that in the chat. The my funded futures club is mid. Yeah, at best, it really offers zero. I don't know. I think everyone is chasing TPT and Lucid at this point. Everyone's chasing TPT and Lucid. That's the truth at this point. I even have Tradeify over my funded futures. What up, helpful? Yeah, the pack so stupid. The whole thing is stupid. The whole thing doesn't make sense. Whoever did it, I think fucked up. But who am I? I'm nobody. So What up, soy boy? Yeah, I don't know. I just think that it could, take profit trader going to 50% off is probably putting pressure on anybody else that has a daily plan. It's a big move. That's a real big move. Yeah, and 3 day pass. Everyone was complaining about that. Now can't really complain about it now. Can't really complain about it now. Why? Because I don't know. Yeah, I was gonna say. I mean, unless you're hitting 50% exactly. Did my live account in what next gen? No, I just asked them where it was, and they told me they're still processing accounts from July. I think because they got to fund it with their own money, they can't put everybody live at once. So what I think is happening is as they get money in from the prop firm, they're putting people live.
The US said to downplay hopes for trade deal with Canada on Tuesday. So, according to people familiar
That's
with
what
the
I think is
matter, Trump
happening.
and Carney expected to speak again today.
Yeah, well, that's because he has dudes suck his toes. So that's probably why. I heard they frown upon that. Uh, so you can get live. Uh, I've been live less than a week on Fidias. Fidias had me live in like less than a week. Elite Trader Funding told me it would be like a week. Um, Next gen, I think they're having issues. They had the whole
OpenAI's
issue with
Brockman says temporarily slowed the scaling of frontier training.
I'll be honest with you. I like not being live. There's a lot less, there's more flexibility not being live, but the issue comes about like once you start making a certain amount of money. I think what happens is like if you take a max payout, you're on the radar. So say you take a $5,000 payout, say it's a max, you're on the radar. But if you take out 20 $8,000, $800 payouts, you probably just continue to float under the radar. That's the truth. Yeah, that's because people are YOLOing. Uh, People are YOLOing their funded accounts on earnings and shit. We just had earnings season helpful. I bet you a lot of those dummies are YOLOing on earnings to try to make money. Yo, you get 1099. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yo, Weenie, you got to fill out the form to get in the duck race. Just now, everybody does. Does anyone know a live trader that scaled up with a Nah, I have no idea. Me, I got coffee. Yo, we're doing the form today. So, if you want to join the duck race, that's the form. Super easy. It's the easiest thing, actually, that you could possibly do. Which form? I literally have the link. It's literally right above you. Like, literally, you asked what the form is, and I put the link right here. Like, one, two, three, four, five messages above. If you did it once today, then you're in. All you gotta do is once. One time. You're in then. If you did it once, you're in.
In a statement, the SEC proposes new rules to create clear and fit-for-purpose framework for certain investment contracts involving crypto assets. So furthermore, the SEC say measures aimed at addressing barriers to responsible capital formation and innovation within domestic crypto asset
And it's
markets.
there when you. I have no idea. I just know that. I just know it's working. You know what's funny is no bots have come in yet today in it. How's that sound? This morning, somebody tried botting it, but since then, there's not been one bot. It's funny how that works. No bots. No bots. Mom spaghetti. Yo, definitely emailing people. The Cove trade of the day. Oh my God. I can't wait to see this. Bro. Yo. 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 Dude. Right at the bottom. I got one of those. Look. Yo, look at this. And then it goes. So ridiculous. Yo, Don. Yo, as soon as you see me get knocked out, you just gotta buy. Yeah, that shit hurt. They say the big ones hurt, helpful. Bro, remember Rocket Man? Yo, the first Trump term, he was obsessed with the North Korean leader and used to call him Rocket Man all the time. I don't know if you guys remember that. Dude, he used to call him Rocket Man all the time. That was like 2017, 18. Rocket Man. Shit was hysterical. I'm literally playing long as this holds. I kind of like it. You got a higher low, inversion and gap overlapping. I don't like this that formed. I want to get back over 600. And we'll see what happens. Would Korea get smoked again? Korean market?
Brent crude
Is
futures
that
settle
what
at
happened? The
$91.02 a
Korean
barrel,
market just
up
got
15 cents or
utterly destroyed again.
0.17%.
So I know that was a big thing. South Korea and North Korea are going to move towards war. Bro, North Korea can't even keep the electric on. Dude, they can't even keep the electric on and they're going to go to war? What the fuck is wrong with people? Aren't those are those over in those are South Korea, right? They just went public, by the way. Dude, MU just took a bath today. Like a bath. MU takes another bath down to like 850s. I'm selling puts. By the way, a lot of people don't know this. Here's a little tidbit that nobody really knows. Somebody asked me this. If you have your copy trader up at home or on a separate laptop with NinjaTrader up and Replicanto up, you don't have to trade from that computer to copy trade. You can trade from anywhere. You can trade from your phone. You can trade from do whatever you want as long as the copy trader's up on your laptop. Or you just use one of those web based ones that charge you every month. Yo, here's a question. Do you guys want me to just make a copy trader for everybody? Is that where this is gonna go to? Everybody just want me to make a copy trader for everybody? Yeah, you can watch it on your phone. If I make the copy trader, you don't have to pay Cove the IT expert. No, Cove the AI expert. Oh man. There are certain functionalities and shit that you got to think about, though. Yo, Mr. Zone in the house. Yo, to join the Ducks, you got to fill the form out. Um, Yo, what do you guys want it for? On Ninja Trader? Where would you want it on? It would have to be on Ninja Trader, right? Martin. You trust me, Martin. If I tell you on out here, it ruins it all. Yo, as long as you have your Ninja Trader up at home, you can use it on your phone. You can trade on your phone with the lead account. This is
The
getting
Canadian dollar falls
invalidated right here, by the
0.3%
way.
to a day's low.
I'm watching it on the 5. It's got to close above 580. Yo, I'll have this copy trader done by tomorrow, probably. I'm gonna have to test it before I give it to you, so you, so I know it works. Yo, any cool functionality you want on it? Anything cool you want on it? Ugh. I want it to be cool though. This shit's getting invalidated right here. I'm just gonna hold this to because this is only an eval.
Order filled.
And I just bought 10 real fast to see if I can flip 10. I bought 10 because we're right here, but ah, I'm
Order
out.
filled.
Yo. If I wasn't long, it's not a bad spot to take a long ski. I'll do it for you guys. I'll do it. It's got to be cool though.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yo, this is do or die right here.
Order filled.
I definitely want an auto break even button. I like auto break even, dude. That's a good fucking functionality. Yo, make a candy van. Free candy, baby. What up, Maritime? I mean, listen. Let me see what Replicanto offers me. So Replicanto has a flatten all button. Has no break even. You definitely need a break even button. 100%. Also, oh man. With offset? Is that the wrapper? The wrapper offset? You want it with offset the wrapper. That's the throat goat. All right. I'll see what I can do. Yo, I want a button that I can click and just sell that one account out and not sell the rest out. Do you know how you can really easily pull your profit and stops apart on the slot? Yeah, you move it on the chart. That's chart trading, Lori. Boom, 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 boom. Listen, I'm building it. They they tell me if I build it, they will all come. Isn't that how the saying goes? Yo, if you don't see your setup, don't take it. This isn't for Tradeivate. It's gonna be. I mean, you could trade on Tradeivate. Like I'm gonna trade on Tradeivate, and I'll have Replicanto up where I can just hit the buttons. Oh, Affordable Indicators has it. Yeah, I just don't want to pay for it though. But yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, it's a good idea. If I build it, I make them all come. Is that how it happens? Jeez, it'd be crazy. I'm asking about Tradeivate. Like when I buy on Tradeivate, I can move these lines like this. So if this is your lead account, you when I move the orders, it moves on all of them. The way I can separate stops and... Hold on 1 second. Hello?
U.S. Energy Undersecretary
Yeah, Lori,
says
isn't that
about
like this
half of
though? Like
Venezuela's
here,
oil
look, I
output
sell
is
and then I
now
can just
being
move my
exported to the
TP and my
U.S.
stop. I just slide it here. That doesn't show up for you. It's probably just in chart settings. It's that or add your ATM settings, turn it on. Yeah, I have an ATM on.
Order filled.
Well, it's building. I'm going back and forth with it right now. Yo, I gotta unlock my front door. Hold on 1 second. Oh, fuck. I'm trying to build up a consistency and discipline. If you right click, you can so you're still going to be able to trade like that, Lori, on Ninja Trader. The only difference is going to be the copy trade part. So you're still going to be able to trade on Ninja Trader however you're doing it. That has nothing to do with the copy trader. Um, let me see. I'll show you. Like the copy trader. So this is what Replicantos looks like. It's just going to be like that. Just this copy trade. And that's it. And the functionality will be on there.
Order filled.
Better slow gains than no gains. Man, this is going to be crazy. Hi, hi, hi. Bro, anytime you go heavy, like even now, I'm managing risk by I'm done with all of these accounts. Not only those accounts, dude, I'm done with like I'm done with like, man, I'm done with so many accounts. So now I'm managing risk. Like this is what my Ninja Trader looks like right now. Okay? So now I take all these accounts and I'm not trading them right now. Right? We're not trading those. All you see me trading is this eval. I'm fucking locked in. If you know what time of day is the best time of the day for your strategy, why would you trade during a shit time? Like you guys that are sitting here trading, I'm trading at 6 p.m., 7 p.m. Like, bro, it's just algos. Like, what are you doing? Like, you can come hang out, but like, don't think there's nobody that sits here and is like, yo, my best strategy is from 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Like, I'm just keeping it real with you. It's the worst time you could trade out of the whole day. When I backtest every hour where your strategy works, like 6 to like 8 o'clock is the worst. Yo, what up, Dr. T? I mean, you should be backtesting your strategy from like 8 o'clock at night to midnight to 3 p.m., 3 p.m. to not 3 a.m., 3 a.m. to 6 a.m., and then like 6 a.m. to 9:30. And listen, your strategy doesn't have to work at all times, but the settings are going to change because there's different amount of volume then and volatility. So what works during New York session is probably not going to work during Asia. Yeah, not really like 9:30 in the morning till 11 o'clock is like the best. Maybe noon. Everything else is, yes, you can make money, but it's not the same. Yo, people are put. Did you just 6-7 me, Alana? Jesus, I thought we were past that. I'm just messing. 6-7. But yeah, I just want people to be aware of it because people are always like, "Oh, let me keep this open." Actually, just remember, if you're joining the duck race, you got to fill the form out today. But yeah, it's so crazy. I don't know. People like if you want to put everything in your favor, why would you do something that's not, the odds are not in your favor? Yeah, 4 a.m. is a great time. London opens at 3 a.m. and they rip it. But people that are trading every day, like, you know, you can hang out, but I wouldn't be putting any money to use during fucking 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock. It's like, that's just hangout time. You want to hang out on the stream with somebody, you do that. But if you see someone like, it's just the back test shows it's a shit time to trade. That's all. It's like 7:30, 7:45. Volume starts coming in. 8 o'clock opens. So this thing's actually
Politico
built
reports
right
that
now.
Trump is considering granting tariff reprieve for Canada.
I'm not gonna start this thing up until I'm sure I'm gonna have to make changes to it. Yo, you want a
So
numbers
just keep in
game?
mind for some context, yesterday we did have US
We could do a numbers
officials
game.
offering to deduct only US specific
By the way,
value
if you're just,
content
we'll do
from
numbers game right now.
15%
By the way, if
tariffs
you're
on
just
Canadian
joining,
vehicles.
this is
The
the only
Canadian
way to get
officials
into
want all
Duck
North
Race.
American content deducted. So some North
It's the
American
only way to
auto
get into
industry
Duck Race.
officials yesterday viewed either option as an improvement over the
Someone's gonna
current
ask me, like,
25%
yo, I didn't see
tariff
the
on
link,
Canadian
man.
vehicles.
I
So again, we now
didn't see
have
it.
Politico reporting that Trump is considering granting Canada tariff reprieves. And Politico here is citing 3 people familiar on Trump and Canada. So we're seeing a bit of strength in the Canadian dollar following those headlines.
Yeah, what's the link? That's the next thing I got. Is what's the link? All right. You ready for this? Go. Holy fuck. Bro. Yo, if Sean didn't fuck it up, 33 was the number. Bro, we would have had back to
RNA
back
reports that the Iranian ambassador in Kuwait met with 4
Again, Jay
Iranians
Styles
held
got
in
it.
the country for the last 3 months.
Bro. That's crazy. Didn't that happen yesterday? Oh, I can't wait to freaking see this. Oh. Give us a 400-point dumper. Big old dumper. Waka. Dude, I'm telling you, man. Leaving at 4 p.m. to pick up my kid. I will miss the Ducks. Mr. Zone, today I'll give you a pass. If you win, I'll let you know. Only pass given out. Yo, fucking Martin. Bro, you are cooked, Mr. Zone. You guys are fucking rough. Chat's rough. Boom, 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 boom. What's crazy is we're just holding this bottom orb. If we start dumping through, I'm gonna take an eval and just go all in. All you'll hear now is you did it for this guy. Bro. Yo, if you got a deuce, go deuce now. Yo, Martin. Nah, this is a one time. One time, one opportunity for everything you ever wanted. He gets the pass. Pull out the old pass card. Chop, chop. Dude, I mean, we haven't gone anywhere in the last half hour. We're just sitting here. Chop. That's all it is. It's chop. Yo, if we hit 100 people in here today, we'll do double giveaway. Shit. And we're close. We're at 82. Don't say we're not close. We're at 82. We go over 100, we got a double giveaway. Wait.
Voice news
Is this thing not
disconnected.
on? I think the news was muted. What? I don't understand why my news was muted. What the
We have
fuck is
posted the
wrong with
Politico
that?
article on the feed for those interested.
Yeah, I don't know why it's not working for me. Hold on.
Voice news disconnected.
Wait, you hear? Oh, shit. I have my volume completely off. Yo, my volume on my thing is completely off. I lowered it. I lowered it before. I lowered it before. Yo. You going to get that enlargement surgery? Bro, I'm scrolling through fucking Instagram and that popped up. I was like, man, they'll put ads for anything. I might just take this and just say F it.
Order filled.
One shot, one opportunity. Shit's going nowhere. Honestly, I got almost no drawdown in this account. I'm just letting you know. Check this out, though. I do think it's going to dump. See this? I think if you can retest this area, you have a IFVG and FVG overlap right here at like 80. You can put your stop. You can put your stop at 600 actually and just kind of ride it. If we get a nice pop, I'm probably going to short with my stop at 600. Just an FYI. Pop and then short it. That's the game plan. By the way, I'm going to have this copy trader live tomorrow for everybody. Yo, it's like I'm rubbing your back. You feel better. No, I'm just messing around. Mom spaghetti. Wait, mom's. What? Oh, I thought that said spaghetti. That says mom's. Dude, my eyes are. I'm not. Yo, does that say what I think it says? I thought. I thought that said mom spaghetti, but it doesn't. Nah, this shit's done. This thing's cooked.
Order filled.
I'm gonna save that for fucking. So I'm gonna play this 5-minute IFVG to the downside. I'm probably gonna stop out at 600, and I'm probably gonna hold. The only problem that I do have, honestly, is, I mean, are we gonna close that low a day again? I mean, I don't know. It's an eval. Like, literally, I'm risking $19 here. I just ate a carrot, man. The carrot was so big, I had to two-hand it, but it was good. I had carrot juice. Look. Carrot and mango juice. Just remember, an Apex account is only $19. So, like, you're only risking 19. So don't people get all crazy on some, oh, look at that. On some of these things. It's like you're only risking what the account's worth. Bro, why am I in? I heard. You like eating carrots for the shape? This is why honestly, this is why the last hour of the day you do not risk a lot of accounts. Yo, I heard Mrs. Bugs can also. Come on, baby. Yo, if you're joining the duck race, you got to fill the form out. Just an FYI. You got to fill the form out. Otherwise, you're not going to get in. There's the form. It's crazy. This thing's just going back and forth. Back. What form? It's literally the link that's in the chat. Just had a hold. Don't miss the form. Yo, my kids go back to school in 2 weeks. Honestly, look at that. This is the one I want to get over, though. 601. I'm more interested in taking this over 601. You'll get over the 200, over 600. Am I sad? No. Yo, I gotta listen to it. Nah. I mean, listen, I did a lot with my kids this whole summer. A lot. And we still have 2 weeks left. But camp is over. They're starting to get bored at home. I gave you a hard time? I didn't know that. I think that I'm just kind of like, I'm kind of ready for everybody to go back a little bit because everyone's home at my house right now. But I think this summer was not as good as other summers, to be honest with you. This is the first summer that I didn't go out. I didn't go out to the Hamptons at all this summer, so I didn't do that, which kind of kind of sucked. I'm gonna go out there in September and October probably, but I didn't go out there now, and I don't know. I didn't really do it. We didn't do any big trips or anything like that, so I don't know. I think next year it's gonna be different. Next year is gonna be a lot different, so we'll see what happens. I'm waiting for this. If we're right here bouncing our head off this FVG, if we can get over it, I'll jump in. How old are they? 8 and 10. Like we went away in April, and I don't know. We'll just figure it out. Who just fucking texted me some random number? Take the kids on a cruise? There's no, well, I guess. Yeah, run your pockets. Yeah, tell me about it. I know all about that.
Order filled.
I know all about. Yo, how's this one, Miss Goody? My daughter comes up to me. I was like, man, I need money for something. I was like, I don't have any cash. And my daughter goes, oh, I have couch cash. I have $70 of couch cash. I said, what the fuck is couch cash? She goes, oh, it's the money that falls out of your pocket at night on the couch. And I collect it and keep it. I was like, what? She's like, yeah, me and mommy collect couch cash. I was like, what the fuck is going on at my house? My daughter just had $70 of couch cash that was out of my pocket. Couch cash. Yeah, I'm an idiot. I didn't even know I got money coming out. Better than Cole's cash. Yo, I needed Cole's cash to buy those those fast track accounts. Yo, she was like, I got couch cash. I was like, what are you talking about? And then when she explained what it was, I was like, wait, what? Dude, couch cash. Crazy. Never thought about couch cash before, but apparently so. I'm just holy. Yo, did some news drop? Fast Track is going to pay out? Yeah. I had to pay them back money, which was crazy. I settled with the guy. I negotiated with the guy for like a cheap amount, but I just didn't want to deal with it, so I just paid money. Fucking crazy. Crazy, crazy. They did clawbacks like a year after. Somebody just came out with fast track accounts. Oh, Bullnuts. Bullnuts has fast track accounts now. I was like, what? Why would you call them fast track after everything that's happened in the industry? I would never call them fast track accounts. Never, ever. Would I call them fast track accounts? By the way, if you just came on here, I'm going to make a copy trader and give it out to everybody. I'm mid-building it right now. I got to load it up. Yeah, for Ninja. Ninja! Ninja!
So the US Special Envoy for Syria, Barak, says Israeli strikes on Syrian air bases reflect perception that Turkey might increase its presence there in the near future. And Barak says this underscores the need for a deconfliction mechanism involving Israel, Syria, and Turkey, which we are actively working on. And says Turkey was not warned of Israeli strikes, and Turkey could have reasonably prepared its own response.
What is? I don't know. What tools did they bring? What tools did they bring? I don't even know what they brought. I don't even know what they did as tools. Here, we're going to look to see what this looks like.
UAE's defense ministry with more color on earlier attacks. It says the 2 ballistic missiles launched from Iran were targeting marine traffic.
Oh, cool. We're targeting marine traffic. Great. Drop the news while I'm in, bro. Wait, what the fuck? Can I not open this Ninja on this? Bro, my Claude is making it so I can't open up Ninja. Yo, you get Quant Tower with, well, not the full, but you do get Quant Tower. Atlas? I don't. That stuff doesn't. How are you calling your Replicanto? Calling it the best fucking copy trader. That's what it's going to be called. When someone asks what's the name of it, that's the name of it. The best fucking copy trader. It's the only name that I can come up with. The best copier. Yeah, that's dude. That's what I should call it. The best copier. Yo, check out the BBC here. This is why you trade no accounts that are worth anything in the last hour of the day. Just an FYI to everybody. This is going to be back and forth. Algos, boys! Pretty much. Oh. Ninja. I was trying to load Ninja Trader up. It's not letting me. I don't know. I don't want to mess my computer up, but no, I mean, this is why you need to only trade like evals at the end of the day. Like, if you didn't make your money for the day, you should just say, hey, listen, I accept the loss and we move on. Yours works with Replicanto? No, mine is going to be solo. No Replicanto. I I never used yours, but like mine's definitely going to have like break even. You can add offset. Apparently, that's what somebody wanted. Um, Obviously, exit one account at a time. Um, I kind of want to add some other shit on there, to be honest with you. Like an area that just kind of shows how much drawdown each account has. I'm gonna mess around with it. You know, also I was thinking about doing one that automatically closes the account out after 50,000. Like you can click a button and it'll basically auto close your account out at 53,000, 30. So basically, as soon if it just goes over a little bit, it'll sell you out and you pass the account. So you don't have to worry about selling out. You know what I mean? It'll just automatically, sell the account out when it hits that amount. I thought that would be cool, right? If you have it checked and you're not paying attention and it's just say you get one of these Trump candles that like flickers up and back down. When it flickers up, it'll automatically sell it out so you pass the account. Right? That's a good feature. Full send mode. Yo, you click full degen, it just goes max cons for each account. Right? Dude, I'm telling you, man, being that I'm going to do this, it's going to be everything you want. Fuck all those other ones. Yo, 15 more people. Double giveaway. We're almost there. I can feel it. Or is that the person under my desk? But I feel something. I feel it. Beware of closing my fundeds at 53Ks. No, well, you'd have to check the box off to do it. You gotta click the box or auto close. Definitely not. Just shoot. This is educational purposes only. This is educational only. Yeah. Yo, I just know there's new people in here. If you want to join for the account giveaway today, go for it. There's the link. Yo, we're 12 people away. 12 people. 12 more people. Dude, MU looks like it's about to shit its pants. Yo, code. I mean, yo, it's so funny. Where's the link? Someone's gonna be like, yo, I guarantee you, someone's gonna be like, I can't see my duck. I can't. I don't see the duck. Where is it? I'm like, yo, did you submit the link? They're like, no. I'm like, stops only. I don't. When I trade news, I don't use stops. I use TP only. Where's the link? Do you not see it? You do it one time. One time. You get one time, one opportunity. Man, I'm just getting the fuck out of this thing.
Order filled.
I'm gonna play yo, what should I play? MOC? I'll MOC this. Yo, thanks, Cam. But yeah, I'm hoping to launch it tomorrow. Sean said he's going to provide a bunch of test accounts for me to destroy using the copy trader. So I'm just waiting for him. We're all waiting on him. Of course, I get out and it pumps, but this shit's slow as fuck. Honestly, I'm playing MOC to the upside as long as it stays above this zone. We stay above this zone, I'm playing MOC to the upside. We go below that. Cove's Gambling Hall? What's that? I don't even know. What is that? What is Cove's Gambling Hall? Candle dealer. Oh, I don't even know what it is. I thought it was something. I thought I missed something. Fuck me, man. Fuck. Really? Really? I'd be all the way back to even? I can't stand that. Honestly, I'm hating the last 45 minutes of all the days now. What I don't really play EMAs that much. I would not be surprised to come out in 5 minutes say we have a deal. Oh my god, we have a deal. I have my copy trader up still. I have a deal. I'm fucking going full blown in. I'll risk my accounts and just say fuck it. To be honest with you, like we have a deal. I remember when they had the China deal and the market went up 2,000 points. All you had to do is just buy and hold. Even if you bought like 3 micros and you would have just been up stupid money. Stupid money. My news source is paid. Yep. But you can listen to it here. But yeah. What's up, Keyshawn? Yo, to enter, you gotta enter on the link, dude. There's a link that you gotta go to enter. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. Well, Ninja ran an error, so I have to like restart Ninja on my computer. But I just don't want to mess up the stream by doing what I got to do. So I'm paused on Ninja Trader right now. But if you want, I'm hoping that the copy trader will be ready by tomorrow morning. We shall see. What other tools you guys want? Besides, I mean, obviously I have strategies and indicators out there. I got to load up all these strategies and indicators. I'm not even all this shit I'm going to load up. You guys don't even know a lot of it. I got to go back on some of this stuff. But some of it's pretty good. That's not terrible. That's not optimal, though. I know they're optimized numbers, and that's not it. What is the optimized number, anyways, for that? Boom, 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 boom. MOC, boy! Yo, which way are we doing? Full port for the boys? All right. For the boys, which way are we going? Up? I'm going up. Yo, yesterday it missed it by like one tick. I freaking
1 minute now until we get the markets on close imbalance.
Up, up, up. Dr. T says up. I will go. I'm following whatever Dr. T says today. So I will go up. Stretch, stretch. All right, here we go. Where's the beef? Remember that shit? All right, here we go.
Ten seconds.
There's no 10 seconds, bro.
Order filled.
Oh! No way!
Markets on close imbalance.
No!
The S&P 500 a buy side of 376 million. Nasdaq 100 a buy side of 881 million. Dow 30 a sell side of just 3 million. Mag 7 a sell side of 17 million.
No way!
Order filled.
No way! No way! No way! No! No! Oh, man! How? How? Yo! Yo! How? How did that just happen? If it was the other way and went down and it hit my stop like that, you best believe it, they would have taken my stop out. Yo, I've never seen anything like that. That's crazy. That's 2 days in a row. This is why you have evals and cheap evals. I would never do any of this with a funded account or any accounts that weren't $19. You got to remember that. This is keeping me from playing my other accounts. By the way, I got a new strategy I'm testing out here. Yo, check this shit out. It didn't even hit today, so it didn't hit because it 18-3. Check this shit out. I'm gonna publish this one. I just haven't gotten to it yet. It's basically a new week and new day opening gap strategy. Now, don't get me wrong. If you go earlier back, it was not performing as well, but also the NQ was not where it is. So I think if you go back further, you got to adjust the TP and stop loss. But in these market conditions, this is what's basically hitting. It did not hit today at all, as you could see. I'll post this on my site, actually. I'll probably post this on the site probably tonight or tomorrow if you want it. Go grab it. Go grab it if you want it. I'm hoping to get all the indicators on there. Gold's dropping hard. So I haven't been back testing the strategy because Ninja lost contact with I don't have data on this computer. It like just dropped it. So your strategy today didn't even trigger. That's obviously a big problem over here. Obviously a big problem. Oh, man. Hey, Cove, if I get on the laptop, can I see all the indicators on? Yeah, so what happens is you'll add all the indicators on here. Here, I'll show you right now. This is exactly what you're going to do. So you're going to go here and you're going to add which indicators you want. You'll put in here request, and then they automatically get added to your phone app. You'll automatically see it on the phone app. Because once it's on your trading view, because it's web-based, it goes through all your trading views. You don't have to add it on mobile and add it on your computer. You just add it one time. Yo, learn. You got to add. The only way you're gonna join today is on here, my man. Join on the link. We're stopping bots today. Bots are being stopped. No more bots. Yo, I'm gonna be honest with you. The bots are there's no bots. No bots. It's crazy. Yo, it's so crazy. You know what I think it is the bots aren't even somebody that is actually watching the stream. It's just a bot, so they're not even listening to, hey, you got to go to the link. You know what I'm saying? They don't even realize it. They're just freaking here, just putting in a code in and rotating accounts. Small green day, that's okay. Maybe if you rub it a little bit, you get a big green day. Yeah. If you look, though, we haven't gone since I got on the stream 2 hours ago, we haven't gone anywhere. We have traded in a 40-point range for 2 hours. 40 points. Actually, most of the day was in, what was that, 64? Yeah, 40 points. Basically 40 points all day. The 00, I don't think they entered today. I don't think they entered. I don't see that they entered. Telling you, man. I'm telling you. This got rid of a lot of people. Do I see you, Austin? Oh man, there's a bunch of people. When did you submit it? Submit it right now, Austin. I had
Syria's petroleum
issues
company
earlier.
says the explosion occurred at a gas export pipeline at the Al Jabsar gas plant, leading to a halt at pumping through the pipeline, according to the Syrian state news agency.
Do I see? If you did it earlier, just do it again, because we had issues with somebody. Somebody tried fucking it. I'm gonna drift with one of these accounts. Yo, Martin's on a rampage. I love that Martin's on a rampage all the time. Hey, man. They didn't enter today,
Syrian
Martin.
petroleum company says the explosion is a result of a deliberate act of sabotage based on initial investigations.
Order filled.
Damn. That's 440. That was quick. Yo. You can always say I can get more, but man, this thing it comes right back sometimes. Right back. Yo, it's so crazy how that works. Remember Ya Invests? Ya Invest was somebody else also. I had a talk with them. Yeah. They had 2 accounts. It was him and somebody else, and they know. They know. Yeah, Austin, I see that you're in here. I got you now. Oh, jeez.
The S&P 500 Energy Index closes up 1.8% for its first record since March.
Anybody got questions? Yo, $800, 6 micros, 4-point auto trail. Damn. 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 Anybody got questions about anything? Strategies, indicators, the copy trader. Anybody got something that you want me to make? I could probably make it. Anything you want me to add to the copy trader, I'll add. If you want me to, I don't know. I like making these tools and shit like that. Like, I don't think you guys even realize, but if you're in the Discord, you don't have to pay for AI levels. You don't have to pay for dumbass AI levels anymore from anybody. All the gamma levels and gex levels get posted in the Discord every day, so you can see. Usually there's a bias that gets posted. I don't know why that didn't get posted. Can I make it moan when TP is hit? I could do that. Yo, I could do some crazy shit like that if you want. Are they live? I don't know. Is it? I honestly I didn't even put any focus towards that to be where I trade. Let me see if they're live. What, the prop firms I use? Oh no, it's not even live. That's because I care. That's how much. Yo, just so you know, Schulster, that's how much I care about that section versus everything else that I do. To be honest with you, I care about all the cool stuff and the toys so much more. I'll fix it. I'll fix it, but that's how much I care about that. Like, I don't give a shit about prop firm comparison, really. I don't care about that shit that much, but it's basically a copy of this. You know, what I care about is all the cool tools that are on there. That's where my, the games, the cool tools. What is this? Not throwing someone else's. I don't. What is that? The 13 moving average crosses the 48. Is that what that is? I'll have to. I'm just take a screenshot of what you wrote. Yeah, we're going to. Yeah. By the way, we're definitely doing a survivor pool. If you guys want to join, it's free. It's on the fucking site. Literally, you just go to games, NFL Survivor Pool, and we're gonna do it all here. If you want to join. All right, I gotta wrap this shit up. So let's run the race. All right, let's run the race. So this is gonna be super easy. Where the fuck did it go? Boom. Got all of the YouTube names. Delete. Fucking delete. Oh man, why do you guys do this shit? Hold on. Boom. I'm just filtering things out. Obviously, just looking at this. Just laughing to myself. Being like, oh, ha 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 ha. Ooh. Boom. 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 This is all me. That's me. Take that out. Some people submitted more than once. Obviously, I'm just taking them out. Oh, all right, cool. Such a clean little game. All right, we're going to have to go fast today because I got a fucking phone call I got to make. So we're going to do... Yo, let's go. AI music. What? I submitted every time you... Yeah, it's okay. You only have to do it once. We're going to do this tomorrow. It keeps everything out. We're gonna do a couple winners and then we're gonna do it. Oh shit! I just realized I got the Twitter people. Fuck. Cove Trader on the mic, taking futures to new heights. Daily giveaways, slamming disco poker in the bag. Prop firm champion, riding markets like a maniac. He growls, don't be a oh man.
Spam. That's rule number one in the Cove Nation clan. Then Chad drops a bomb, makes the whole crowd shout on the sandwich. A jizz of mayonnaise is required. Cove freezes like a system. Of course, I knew this was gonna happen today. No doubt. Apex pass. Take profit pass, my funded futures pass. I don't know who won. Yo, Angie, are you here? Angie, are you here? So market don't go sideways because I need cash now. This chop is a prison and I'm breaking out. Cold screens, bro, I need Trump to fucking tweet something bad right now. His daily trader profit, whatever the fuck they called already sitting up. Angie is here. Turn to savages when NQ starts breaking down. We stream the futures daily, fueled by fire and caffeine. Fighting sideways price action like rebels on the screen. Giveaways every sunrise, community loud and high. Come on. Ready for the strike. Cove's finger on the trigger, volatility inbound. Make a move, damn market, just don't stay flat. He sounds. So market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Yo, Lolly, you here? Lolly, you here? Your duck lost his helmet again? Jeez. Lolly, you here? I'm looking. Alright, here's Lolly. We're gonna do one more and then we're gonna do all the Twitter people. By the way, if you want to do NFL Survivor Pool, I'm just going to put a bunch of links in here. Survivor Pool is right here. If you want any of that, I'm going to end up posting the copy trader here also. I'm going to end up posting copy trader, and I'll keep loading up indicators and whatnot there. Also, if you want to join the Discord, here you go. Discord. Richard Steele. Yo, Richard, you there? YouTube TV. I probably look really good on the TV.
Yo, Richard Steele is cousins with Lexington Steele. Twitter people don't have to be here, but if they win in the final race, they got to be here. That's why I do it this way. So if they're not here, not Remington Steele? No. Let's is in. George the Animal. Yo, Neo Boo. Oh, 007 is moving up. I gotta make a super important call, so I'm cruising. This is for a TPT account. Oh, holy shit. Richard, your camel toe shot out there, dude. My wife trades with TPT now. How to enter? Yo, just be on the stream tomorrow, man. And subscribe. Yo, it's so easy. Just be on the stream. We'll give away another account tomorrow. Yo, we'll do another giveaway tomorrow. Richard. Shoot me an email, Richard. Oh, man. If you want to see some of these, also, this is actually great fucking knowledge. Here's some back tests I ran, and you can see what they scored at. I got to jump off. So I will see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. I'll be in the Discord. And we'll do another giveaway tomorrow. If you're new here, subscribe. I am out. Peace.